We are about to go from this to this. Hello, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sharita, and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. As you can see, I am so excited because I partnered with Two Pages again. Two Pages offers affordable custom drapes. They have several collections, and I chose the least collection, which offers 38 colors to choose from, and I chose the color jade, green, olive. And they also have 17 header options. I chose the triple pleat, which came with adjustable hooks, and there's also 4 lining options. I chose the 140 GSM this time with the blackout, and the other curtains or drapes in my home from Two Pages are the 220 GSM lining, which is perfect for those areas. This area gets a little less sun, so that's why I went with the 140 GSM. And as you can see here, those adjustable pin hooks for the triple pleat style drapes were really easy to insert into the drapes. And I also selected the memory shape, which gives you a uniform fold from the header to the hem. They will hang straight with beautiful folds, and they won't flare at the bottom. So that is definitely a great option to have. I absolutely love my Two Pages drapes in my home, and I can't wait to hang these so you all can see how easy they were to hang. So my ceilings in this portion of my home is 108 inches, excluding the coffered ceiling. The window width is about 35 inches. And here are the curtain rings that I found. I took off the older ones, which are too big for this curtain rod, and I purchased the new ones from Lowe's, which is perfect for this curtain rod. So keep in mind, 108-inch window height, 34-inch window width. I went with 102-inch panel for the length and 60-inch panel for the width. And the drapes that I'm taking down are either 103 inches or 104 inches, but I did want to bring my curtain rod down a couple of inches, which made up for the 2 inches. So I did adjust my curtain rod off camera and brought it down 2 inches. Now, if I do decide to add these drapes over in the hearth room or the kitchen nook area, I will move these drapes over there, and then I'll probably go back to my 104-inch drapes just so I can take them a little bit closer to the ceiling cap. Now, this portion of my living room or hearth room area does not have any crown molding, so I took that into consideration because I may add crown molding to this area later, but for now, this is the look we're going for, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's really easy to hang, and anytime you hang your drapes, I highly recommend hanging your curtain rod first and then adding your curtains while your curtain rod and curtain rings are already in place. Otherwise, they'll be too heavy to hang, and while you're trying to adjust one or the other, it's a possibility that it'll be too much weight on one of the curtain rod holders, and they'll probably just tumble down before you even get them up good. Now, I did use some anchors for these curtain rods when I put them back up. I had a couple in some of the other ones, but I definitely made sure that I used the plastic anchors for the screws, and I shouldn't have any issues with them falling or anything. Now, I did have to bring this particular curtain rod in the hanger, because there was a metal plate behind the part where I had the hanger, and that was not working. So I had to bring both of the curtain rod holders in to be able to miss that metal plate, and I still use those plastic hangers or anchors, and I'm good to go. Now I do have to come back and patch the wall, and I'm perfectly okay with that. Actually, I went ahead and patched it off camera. I just need to paint it. So I'm giving it a couple days to dry, wipe it down, let it dry some more, and then I'll come back and paint it. All right, so I have 6 panels, and 2 of the panels came in one box and the other 4 panels came in this box. And one thing I can say about 2 pages is their packaging, the way they treat their product is handled with care. So there were no marks, everything was folded and nicely packed, and they were all nicely packed the same way. So, after hanging quite a few drapes in our home, I've come up with a method of installing the drapes that works for me. I basically throw the hemmed in portion over my shoulder and lap the header over my arm and start attaching the hooks to the rings, and it gives me control of the drape. It also stops the weight of the drape from being shifted to one side of the curtain rod, which can lead to damage to the wall and the drapes. Then once I hang them, I start pushing in the flat part of the header for a uniform look. Love, love, love it. And then as you can see, I just dropped my drape. Everything is installed and we're good to go for that panel. Now that we have our drapes installed, let's go ahead and add some finishing touches to the space. We're just going to add a little bit of gold, a little bit of green, and I purchased these stems from Home Goods. I don't know if I shared them in my recent haul, but they're more of a flocked greenery stem. I love the flock look, and that green is a perfect color for the space. Checking these battery operated candles. I couldn't remember which one wasn't working anymore, so I needed to add some batteries, and it happened to be the one on the right. And after I inserted the batteries for the one on the right, I realized it's not as bright as the one on the left. The one on the left is actually on, and you can see the candle on, but I was like, we need to change these batteries also, so both of them will look nice when they're lit up. And this is how those candles look at night. A nice little ambiance with all of the lights turned off. And those green decorative boxes, I've had them forever. They are more of a green velvet fabric. Absolutely love them. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean this coffee table. We'll come back and decorate it. For now, we just want to add the pillows. I shared these pillows in a recent haul. And keep in mind, with the color of these drapes, there's not a whole lot I need to do in the space. I just need to tie some of those colors together for a well-balanced look. All right, so now I'm adding some coffee table books. Of course, I'm going to add a little more green as many places as I can. I also picked up these pillows from Home Goods. I shared them in a recent haul. Absolutely love them, and I think they scream spring, especially with the butterflies. So we're just going to add one to each one of the chairs, and that's about it. We have a fully decorated space. I did add a few more things to the coffee table, some greenery, of course, and as you can see, this space is ready for spring. We are at the end of this video. Thank you to Pages for another great collaboration and sponsorship. You know I am a big fan of your drapes, and I'm looking forward to partnering again in the near future. Just click the link in the description for those of you who are interested in either custom-made drapes or even ready-made drapes. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you have not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And feel free to like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. And I cannot wait to share my new light fixture and dining chairs in my kitchen nook. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.